Hey everyone! Today we are reviewing the AstroAI Jump Starter with Air Compressor. This is an all-in-one tool that can help you out of a tough situation if you are ever stranded on the side of the road with a dead battery or flat tire. In this video, we'll go over the key features of this device and how it can help you in any emergency. The AstroAI Jump Starter with Air Compressor is a 4-in-1 device that combines a jump starter, air compressor, power bank, and LED flashlight all in one compact package. It has a peak current of 1750 A and can jump start most 12-volt vehicle with up to 7-liter gas or 5.5-liter diesel engine. The air compressor has a maximum pressure of 100 psi and can quickly inflate tires, sports equipment, and other inflatable items. It also comes with 3 different nozzle attachments for added convenience. The power bank function allows you to charge your phone, tablet, or other electronic devices on the go with a capacity of 15,000 mAh. This is particularly useful if you are stranded and need to contact someone for help, or if you are on a road trip and need to keep your devices charged. The built-in LED flashlight has 3 modes: a strong beam for illuminating dark areas, a strobe light for signaling for help, and a source mode for emergency situations. The AstroAI Jump Starter with Air Compressor has a number of other convenient features that makes it a must-have for any driver. It has an LCD screen that displays the battery level and the air pressure, so you can easily keep track of both. It also has built-in safety features such as overcurrent protection, short-circuit protection, overload protection, overvoltage protection, and overcharge protection. Despite its many features, the AstroAI Jump Starter with Air Compressor is surprisingly compact and lightweight. It measures just 9.5 by 5.4 by 4.7 inches and weighs only 5.9 pounds, making it easy to store in your trunk or under your seat. Overall, the AstroAI Jump Starter with Air Compressor is a versatile and convenient tool that can come in handy in a variety of emergency situations. Its all-in-one design, built-in safety features, and compact size make it a must-have for any driver. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and product demos.